I'm gonna show you something today. Check out this Emeril Lagasse deep dish pan. Look at these sides on here. I'm gonna make for you some amazing French toast in this pan. We have our batter here already pre-made up. One of my favorite features about this pan is this handle that's cool to touch. So you never have to worry about it while cooking or flipping. You can also fit so many more pieces in here than you can in a regular pan. I already have 4, but I could easily fit a good 6 in here, guys. I'm gonna show you. Perfect. Look at how great these non-stick pans are. Now, normally someone would cringe putting metal on one of these, but these pans are so great that you can put metal right in there and it will not affect these pans. Look at how incredible these turned out. Nothing sticks to it. Not the butter, not the bread. Syrup. Emeril Lagasse Forever pans are definitely the way to go.